This electric grain grinding machine is a new designed milling equipment. The raw materials for milling are mainly maize, rice, soybeans, wheat, and other kinds of grains. Add the dry soybeans into the feed hopper. The inner crushing and grinding devices will mill the soybeans into powder quickly. This grain mill has a very compact structure and beautiful appearance. All parts of this milling machine are made of stainless steel. And the milling furnace can be adjusted. We can see that the final soybean powder is fine and its furnace is even. Welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel and contact me for the detailed information.